Good evening. My name is Hardik Jain, and I'm a co-founder of a startup in Austin, Texas called as GenXComm. We are building echo cancellation technology. Traditional wireless and wired transceivers and radios can only transmit and receive at the same time at a frequency. They cannot do both of them together, and that's primarily because the transmitter's own interference creates echoes and reflections to the receivers. And so that's why, since the inception of wireless communication and wired communication, radios have always been half duplex. Echo cancellation technology, for the first time, enables what we call as full duplex. Full duplex is capability of simultaneous transmission and reception at the same frequency. DOCSIS as such and cable system has always been about broadcasters. So broadcasters create contents and transmit their contents as videos over to our homes using cable modems. And it has always been about downlink. And so the overall network frequency plan has been constructed or built or designed such that downstream has a lot of frequency spectrum compared to upstream. And for the first time in the history, the downstream and upstream spectrum will become symmetrical using echo cancellation technology. And this will essentially make every one of us as a broadcaster. And it would augment existing applications such as Twitch, Periscope, YouTube, Facebook Live, and all of us can contribute contents to the cloud. And this is pretty remarkable. Another impact of DOCSIS full duplex is that for the first time, a cable distribution network can now be used to do wireless backhaul to 5G. So every 5G small cell can now be attached to a cable plant tap, and it can utilize the symmetrical upstream and downstream data rate capability to do backhaul over 5G infrastructure. So Cable Labs, along with MSOs, have been working over the past few years in pushing full duplex to standard, and it was only last week where they have finally announced that full duplex will now be a part of the next generation cable standard. So GenXComm actually started 4.5 years ago as a research group in the University of Texas at Austin. We as a team have been working for over many years in trying to solve the echo cancellation problem in wireless and wired system. All of our team members come from varied backgrounds, and we try to solve this system level problem of doing echo cancellation. We have significant number of patents, and we have expertise in just building the echo cancellation solution. And so we want to come to market, partner with right partners in all of the ecosystem, and build this enabling technology and make full duplex or simultaneous transmit and receive a reality. So we are here at the SCTE Cable-Tec Expo. It is the biggest show in North America for the cable industry. It's being sponsored by SCTE and IBSE. We are here because we are here to meet some of our partners, also support some of our partners who are demonstrating our technology in full duplex system. In the coming months and coming quarters, we will be demonstrating augmented capabilities of doing cancellation over megahertz of bandwidth, unlocking gigahertz of or gigabits per second bidirectional capabilities for upstream and downstream. Echo cancellation is a major problem for every radio. In fact, in case of wireless systems like Wi-Fi, if you have two Wi-Fi radios which are co-located with each other, one's transmission interferes with the another one's reception, and that's primarily because of the adjacent channel interference and co-channel interference. Echo canceller solves those problems. Echo canceller essentially cancels a radio's or co-located radio's own interference and unlocks their true potential. So devices such as set-top boxes, smartphones, which have multiple radios, can now independently transmit and receive on this wireless broadcast medium without interfering with each other. And so our echo canceller starts from being an enabling technology for standards like DOCSIS, which have gone full duplex, would then propagate to standards like Wi-Fi and 5G in enabling them as a full duplex technology. Echo cancellation also has major applicability in medical systems to enable a high resolution tomography, as well as in radar and LiDAR systems where you can essentially zoom into a particular a particular region or a particular location without getting blindsided from shiny objects in the radar and LiDAR system. So the applicability of our technology is very wide. We are starting from one market segments, building product for that market segments, and then we would step by step enable other market segments and build this enabling technology.